Yogurt face masks for smooth and supple skin. Yogurt, 1 spoon. This yogurt face pack is the oldest beauty hack and suits all skin types. Applying yogurt to your face may help improve your skin's barrier function, lock in moisture, and reduce harmful bacteria and inflammation. Few drops lemon juice. Lemon has a high acidic content and can be an effective solution to brighten your skin tone, lighten dark spots, treat acne, prevent premature signs of aging, among others. Add 1 spoon normal water. Both yogurt and lemon have a skin brightening properties. Mix well. When combined, the vitamin C in lemons and the lactic acid in yogurt can lighten skin. Using a yogurt and lemon face mask can brighten dark areas such as age spots, under-eye circles, and hyperpigmentation. Acne might lead to scarring, and yogurt can help reduce the appearance of these blemishes. When you use yogurt as a face mask, you help reduce blemishes and your skin glows soon after. Skin benefits of yogurt and lemon also include brightening, exfoliating, and anti-aging. Then apply this mixture to your face. Leave it on until it becomes dry. This face pack may be used if you have oily to normal skin type. Yogurt would provide a cleansing, moisturizing, and soothing foundation, while the lemon would thoroughly cleanse the skin. It also acts as an astringent to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Rinse it off with cold water. Apply a gentle moisturizer.